Vision here. Today we're back with a comic. We got loads of new parts again, which I'm very happy about. So last time we had this problem. Lucas, you have the day of your life, buddy. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful how they made like the exact same face, exact same movements. Only not the same words, damn it. So this was very awkward in the bus to the school trip. Great. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. Okay, there's more. So this was the only thing we've seen. An hour later, outside of the bus. So it's an hour later. Jesus, where are they? Oh, hey Nathalie! Donut power! Donut power! Oh, Aiden looks cute. Damn, Lucas, you look handsome. Damn. Nathalie with her donut power. Okay, we have to walk to our camp, so everyone makes a group of 2. Okay, so I think the teacher's right here, where Nathalie's in front of. Okay. I hope Jessie is still coming. Aww. Are we gonna see Jessie today? Of course he is. Oh, and Aiden is so caring. I love that. That's him! Look, even the arrow looks him. Oh my god. Hey Lucas. Thank God. Hey. Oh, Lucas is so happy to see him. That looks amazing though. Look out, I think it's just standing here because there's a car coming. It would be stupid if it was like here and then the car. I assume you two are going together? Yes. Oh, that's the teacher, okay. Oh, Lucas and Jessie look so cute together. I like that. So, I love the teacher, how she's looking. I love that, okay. So yes. Like, yes. Great. Oh, wait! Jessie is wearing that! But... okay, everyone knows where the camp is. If you're lost, you have your phone to call. I trust you as a 3rd class to walk alone, but there's a snowstorm coming. Is it fun? Oh my god, that man in the background though. But oh my god, hey, look, that's Sophie again, OCT. Wait a second. Hey, that's the same. I just copied it. I was too lazy, I'm sorry. So, there's a snowstorm coming, but Lucas doesn't have like the right shirt. I wonder what happened. So, we have finally seen Jessie, but still, we have to find Petra, Alexis, Fidget, or Luke, and that other mysterious girl. We don't know her name yet. No. We don't know her name yet. Oh, I am so wondering if there are going to be more people in the comic. Probably. But I'm not sure because there's so many people already that are new. Like we have that girl, Lucas, ZT, Thomas, Nathalie, Justin, Aiden. Yeah, as I said, that girl. And we got Jessie too. And we got the teacher, but the teacher doesn't have a name. So it's just gonna be like YOLO. So, oh. Alright. So we got 36, oh my god. That's insane. Okay, so guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to YouTube. And I'm also turning up a new song. No. Wait. Oh. What? Whoa! What is happening to the screen, damn it? Alright. Come on, load. It's like really slow, this internet. Okay, let's see what you guys have been posting underneath here. please. I will try to. I'm not sure though. Hey, it's you again. Hey, I love the comic. That sounded like a drug addict. Lol. Oh my god. Lucas is your favorite character, right? Yep. He's my favorite. Damn, I should just kill myself if no one cares. Okay, I'm off topic. Hi, lol. Don't kill yourself. I don't want anyone to kill himself. Even Lucas. Okay, that sounded really mean, but your drawings are good. Thank you. Hi. You miss me? Of course I missed you. What is up with you? Okay, as soon as I have my name, look at the game. There definitely will be Alexis and Fidget. Me watching the video. Yay! Oh, High School Life Part 9 is coming. Yes! Hi! I will react to that. Aiden called me sweetie. Really? Wish someone said that to me. Oh, Lucas, why are you being so aggressive? Or, I don't know. He's just being so sad all the time, and he's changed a lot. I know someone who loves you. Cheer up, Lucas. Oh crap, not this again. What? You have to tell him at some point. Smiley face. I am actually ready to tell him now. Lucas, I have something to tell you. I have feelings towards you and I love you. Oh! I really hope he's gonna reply to that. What the heck? I really hope he's gonna reply to that. Okay. So, I love the thumbnail trigger. You guys also seem to love these. Oh my god. LOL, thank you so much for reacting to this. I spent a month on it. No problem. I have watched this. I've seen this already. I am so ticked off. Why? My parents deleted my 2 freaking videos. Yeah, I just looked on your channel and I was like, where are these videos? I just kicked my dad in the stomach because I have anger management just like Lucas. Oh. So what happened to the comic? What do you mean? I was wondering if you were gonna upload the comic, and I'm sorry if I've been patient. Haha, it's okay. I like it that you guys love the comic so much. I am working on it right now, so don't worry. You'll be in there really soon. Ooh. Aiden, you shouldn't spoil too much. Hi, Aiden. Come on, face. Oh shit. Foxy actually hurt Lucas, damn it. You're confusing me. Hi, sweetie. Ooh, easy, it's alright. It was mostly because of that he cut himself. Oh, face bombs. Okay, I thought it was from that, but if you make him mad, it won't be pretty next time. It's just a conversation. Who is what? Alright, next. So, do you guys want me to react to that High School Life part? Because I'm definitely gonna do that. Hi. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna turn up a new music. Invincible. Nightmare Fredbear appears and bites Lucas's legs. And that will teach you a lesson. Why would you do that? What am I supposed to do? I'm feeling sick. Can you help me, Lucas? Well, I have plenty of medicine here. Gives Lucas the blue out of medicine, which cured him in a second. There, better? He did not. Lucas is not alive anymore. Lucas, look. You and I have the similar thoughts, but don't do it because suicide is never the answer, and it never has been. Don't it? There are people who love you. Don't do it, man. Just don't. It was the answer for me. But thanks for helping me through the hard time. It really helped me. Oh. Why would you sneak Lucas in without anyone looking? So why would Lucas be a pedophile? Lucas says, I am not. Oh man. This is getting intense. Oh, please tell me you've posted it. I can't even talk. Please tell me you've posted more. Come on, internet. Nope. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of the comment, let me know. If you have questions, also let me know. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.